Okay. You can open it. Go ahead and say, Grandma Nola, I got my birthday card.
Grandma Nola, I got my birthday card.
See, I'm going to open it now.
I'm going to open it now.
While my mom puts shorts on me.
When my mom showed on me.
Whoa.
Say about that.
Go ahead, open it up. No, he's got it. He's got it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh. It's a Power Ranger. And my birthday. $20. $20.
Let me see. Show it to me. Woo.
Isn't that
Do you want to open it?
it up?
Open it. Open it. Open this. Do you want me to hold that for you? Or do you open this?
Yeah, open it up. It's a birthday card. Maybe Ashlyn will read it for you.
I'll read it. I can do it.
It says, happy. Okay.
It says, happy birthday, Eli.
Your birthday is ultimate.
Free. I'm being free. I have another one. Hey, Eli. Hey, Eli.